Well, hello. How's it going? What are you doing in my apartment? Oh, I know what you're doing here. You're probably wondering what public health is. Well, let me tell you. A great example of public health is if we travel back to 1854 in London, where John Snow was the first epidemiologist to get the idea to go around and survey people throughout the cholera outbreak. He found, and I'll show this diagram, of people getting sick around this specific pump of water, which later turned out to be carrying the disease, the cholera disease. So, with that, they removed the pump and people got better. So, it's easy to see why public health is so important. We want specialists to be looking at population graphs and bioinformatics to be able to determine what is hurting a population and what isn't, and to try to prevent so many people from going to the hospital, and that way producing a healthier population of people. We can find really good examples of public health by simply going to Target. So let's go. I'll see you there. So we're here at Target. It's cold as hell, but we're gonna find some great examples of public health in action. You can see an example right here as soon as we enter the doors. These cart wipes are used for users to wipe the handles of the carts and reduce the amount of diseases that get passed on from cart user to cart user. Another example are these nutrition labels that tell the consumer what ingredients are in their food to avoid possible allergic reactions, and so that they can specify their diet to what their needs are. So, after doing heavy research, I have found 3 great careers that one can do with a public health degree. The first one, health administration. This is where you direct and coordinate nurses and doctors in efforts to improve the quality of healthcare. A healthcare administrator's job ranges from scheduling meetings, representing their team in board meetings, and even billing to increase the efficiency of nurses and doctors at the clinic or hospital that they work at. Another career opportunity that one can get with a public health degree is health and safety engineering. And here's where you would many times be in the private sector, working for companies and making sure that they are regulating and meeting codes. So health and safety engineers are required to keep businesses up to code as far as employee hygiene, if like say a Subway, or in construction sites, operating forklifts properly and reducing bad habits that lead to injuries. A big part of the job is doing research to really see what is hurting this population of employees, and also actually going to the field and seeing the job site to maybe identify some of the things that might be hurting or affecting the health of the workers. A third career in public health is epidemiology. You do have to continue and get a master's degree in public health to enter into this position, but epidemiologists focus on looking at what diseases do to populations at the upper level. So this is the first responders of public health, if you will. They do this through research, policy, and education, and a big part of their job is to report the findings of their research projects to help reduce negative outcomes in populations. And that is it for me. I hope you found this video helpful, and goodbye.